Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to unreveal the 13th principle of success, willingness to learn from failure. Henry Ford is widely known for revolutionizing the automobile industry and introducing the concept of mass production through the assembly line. However, his success did not come without its fair share of failures and setbacks. One of the most intriguing aspects of Ford's life was his sleeping habits. Ford believed that time wasted on sleep could be better utilized in improving his designs, optimizing production processes, and enhancing the overall efficiency of his company. He recognized that success often requires pushing beyond conventional limits and embracing unconventional methods. By learning from his mistakes and continuously striving for improvement, Ford became a pioneer in the automotive industry and left a lasting legacy that still resonates today. This inspiring story serves as a reminder that true success is not achieved by playing it safe or conforming to societal expectations. Instead, it is attained by embracing failure as a valuable learning experience and continuously pushing oneself to exceed boundaries. The willingness to learn from failure is a vital principle that can propel individuals toward greatness and lead to groundbreaking achievements, just like Henry Ford's innovative contributions to the world. That's for today. Thanks.